Yep, it's still raining out here. It's coming down hard. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's still coming down. And our driveway is slightly flooded over there. Yep. Now look at that. But we do need this rain. We really need it too. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see our creek is flooded too. But I don't want to walk out there because I don't want to get this tablet all wet. Okay, I'm back inside now. I know I complained earlier about not having satellite or internet when it rains like this, but I mean, it could be a whole lot worse. We could be without power. We could be, completely flooded, which luckily we're not. I mean, at least, although not yet, knock on wood, but we're doing pretty good here. I mean, we lost power for just a few minutes. We were without satellite TV for about 30 minutes. Internet has been kind of going off and on for the past 2 hours. So I'm going to wait until later on tonight and upload all these videos. So we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.